Hi guys, Jason from Trojan Photography here, and today I'm going to do a review on the Vivitar 2x teleconverter. So my one's for Canon EOS, which is the EF mounts for Canon. I do believe you can get them for Nikon and Sony, so have a look for them. I purchased this off eBay for around about $130 Australian when I got it. It might have varied since then, so check it out on eBay or in stores and stuff, you'll find it. So it came with a nice little pouch. This is a nice, it's got like a leathery feel. I don't know if it's actual leather on the outside. Little drawstring and stuff, so that's great to carry it around in. Anyway, so the caps on it are really average plastic. The bottom one, I think that's one of my Canon ones. So if you look through, it's got sort of two optics, and they're really clear optics, which is lovely. Because you sort of, the more clear the glass, like with knife lenses, like pro lenses, like the L series and Canon, the better the glass, the better the image quality, really. So this is the Vivitar Series 1 2x MC4 AF. Not too sure what MC4 is. 2x is the factor it's going to multiply it by. AF means it will work with your autofocus lens. So if I've got something like, quickly grab a lens out. This is my Canon 70 to 210 lens. It's got autofocus. When I put it onto here and when I attach this to the body, I will still have full autofocus to the camera. Now you've got to remember, with the cheaper zoom lenses, your camera's only really going to autofocus down to f8. So that's when we start talking about this. So what does this actually do? So effectively, this is going to double the amount of reach your camera is going to grab. So if I put a 50mm lens on it and I put this on, it will effectively give me a 100mm lens. So it doubles the amount of zoom I've got on it. So if I put a 100mm lens on it, will give me 200mm, and so on. The down part about actually using this instead of a lens that's actually going to give you 200mm, it also doubles the f-stop. So if I've got f4, once I put this on, it becomes f8, and so on and so forth. So it will double the f-stops on it, so it will stop down your light a lot. But you know, you're going to get the extra length out of it, so it is nice. So with this, which is 70 to 210 f4, I effectively will get 140 to 420 at f8, and 420mm is great reach. Like for bird photography or moon photography, is really nice. And yes, f8 is going to stop you down light, but it's nice. So with this one, I haven't tried other ones. With this one, it is $130, which is so much cheaper than the Canon one, which is $400-500 or something for their 2x. And I think it's great. It's got autofocus, because that means you can track subjects. You don't have to worry about focusing, which is great. Now, what this will do is it will amplify faults in your lenses. So you're going to want to use it on better quality lenses in general. You can use it on other lenses. You do have to use it on full frame lenses, otherwise you sort of get this really bad vignetting sort of thing on the outside. Even if you're using a crop sensor, you'll find it magnifies the vignette, so it brings it into it. But it does work really nicely. It will bring out stuff like chromatic aberration a little bit, but stop down the lens a couple of stops. So if, like this, when I shoot, I don't shoot at f8, I'll shoot at f11, f16 if I can. That will bring down chromatic aberration, so it'll make it nicer. So the build of this overall, as I showed you before, I think the glass in there is really nice. It's got nice, I believe it's aluminium mount plates on it, which is good. The inside of it's plastic, you can see that. So there's the little points, the AF confirm points and stuff. So that's how it does communicate through the lens. It's thickish, it's not too bad. It's about the same one as the Canon from what I believe. It's really light, which is good in a sense. It's good because you can put it in your bag and you don't have to worry about it weighing your bag down. It's not so good because you know the lighter it is, the more plastic it's got. But because it's got no moving parts, it's just got a bit of electronics and what looks like 2 pieces of glass in there. I think it's great. It comes with this little case. I do highly recommend it if you want if you want to shoot birds or animals in the wildlife or something and you don't have that long lens and you've got something like this or one of the Canon L lenses which goes 70 to 200. Now you can put it on and you can get up to 400mm, because a 400mm lens, although you can get them from Canon and Nikon, they're going to be a lot more expensive than something like this, and if you're an amateur you don't want to spend thousands of dollars on a lens and go, no, I don't actually want to do that. So $130 to $150 for something like this, you're going to get great results still. And you can have a play around with it, try it out. So check it out, the Vivitar 2x teleconverter lens. And don't forget to subscribe below. Check me out on the website, www.trojanphotography.com. Thanks guys.